Assalamualaikum. My name is SAIFUL FAZLI bin JAMALLUDin from School of Mechanical Engineering. I will presenting my FYP1 entitled Concept Design of Grading Machine for Weighing System under the supervision of Mr. Tajuddin bin Majyahi. The presentation consists of project summary, introduction, methodology and expected results. Let's take a look at the project summary. It will talk about the total findings of the project. Accurate fish production measurements are needed to accurately compare hatcheries, output and efficiency. Using a weighing system, it is a simple and accurate way to keep track of a big number of fishes. There are three processes that make up the fish grading machine, which are elevating, sorting and weighing. Semi-automated fish handling using a vision-based system has been proposed in this research. Using a weight sensor, a fish weighing system was designed to estimate the overall weight of the fish in a box. Sharp mackerel, a common species in Malaysian waters, is also the target of this research, and the project only focusing at LKIM complex Endau. Okay, let's take a look at the introduction. I will talk about literature review, problem statements and objectives, and the scope and limitation of the project. Separating fish into groups based on their size is a standard procedure. Grading can be defined as the act of classifying something on a scale by quality, rank, size or progression. The weighing procedure was usually done manually, although there are several efforts were made to automate it by employing such a system. It has been shown that computer vision systems are most effective in weighing process, but they have issues during the fish box placement and the movement to other places. Production costs may be reduced by using grading machine to increase the efficiency of weighing, as well as the operational productivity of the line. Scale loss, stress and human resource may all be reduced by using suitable equipment and practices when grading is necessary. Okay, now let's take a look at literature review. The first article talks about fishing and landing vessels. As many as 117 boats of fishermen from Johor and Pahang arrived in the Endau River. The time it took to land for a single trip ranged from 1 to 2 days because of the manual process done by a large number of workers in order to finish the process. Next point is grading procedure. Grading is a procedure used in a food processing business to categorize products accordingly to quality standards. Intelligent system has been used in food grading software programs to grade foodstuffs on computers. There will always be a range in length between both the largest and the smallest fish in a group. There are also a lot of journals about ultrasonic sensor. There will always be a range in length between both the largest and smallest fish in a group. Machine vision system, unlike biological visual systems, frequently lack the variety and flexibility required to efficiently adjust to even relatively minor change in working conditions, which is one of the fundamental limits in the adoption of computer vision techniques for practical applications. For the conveyor system, conveyors are very useful in situations where heavy and bulky materials need to be moved. Conveyor system can move a wide range of materials quickly and efficiently, which is why it is popular in material handling and processing field. The major problem at the jetty, there is no any fish grading machine that can easier the grading process. Development Authority of Malaysia has limited the manpower of our workers in every jetty due to current situation. Next, manual weighing process need a lot of manpower due to the lot of quantity of the fish, so it can make the fish less quality because there are a lot of contact to the fish. There are three main objectives of the project. First, to determine the overall fish grading machine by focusing on weighing. Second, to select the potential mechanism for weighing system and to analyze all the equipment or component for the weighing system. Scope and limitation of the project. The project solves problem that occurs at the jetty by referring to Fisheries Authority of Malaysia. It is focusing more on how to help the fisheries to easier the works at the jetty by designing a fish grading machine. Next, do a research more on the existing components that can 3D modeling using CATIA software. There are also some limitations for the project. First, the project focusing on chub mackerel that can get a lot at Malaysian sea. The fish grading machine only categorized in 3 sizes, which is small, medium and large. Next, the project limit on conveyor concept to move the fish box. Let's take a look at the methodology. I will explain all the stages one by one. For the methodology, the process consists of 4 stages, which are define problem, gather information, concept generation and evaluation of concept. For the stage 1, identify the problem in order to evaluate the effectiveness of the solution. Stage 2, gathering information is the process of learning by looking at all information from another angle or with a new way of looking at things. For the stage 3, concept generation helps to identify a wide range of viable solutions and ideas that can address the demands of the project. Lastly, stage 4 explains on how to evaluate the concept. Define problem. Based on the research, a lot of manpower needed for weighing process due to manual process, and there is no fish grading machine that can easier the process. It is also taking a lot of time as it performed manually. For the gather information, literature review and desktop search are the best way to gather the information about the jetty, fishes and grading machines. For the concept generation, the grading machine is a combination of semi-automated system which is at least need a person per place that divided to elevating, sorting and weighing to conduct the machine. For the weighing system, it more focusing by using conveyor system to move the fish box and ultrasonic sensor to detect on how much the fish fill in the box. For the evaluation of concept, metric system and scale graphic method used for evaluating the concept chosen from the concept generation. Let's take a look at the expected results. For the expected result, it can be achieved by using CATIA V5 to determine the overall fish grading by focusing on weighing. All the potential mechanism for weighing system designed in the CATIA V5 before doing the 3D analysis in the software. All the equipment and the mechanism design are suitable for the size and the weight of the fish box without affecting the quality of the fish. This is the list of reference to support my grading machine project. So, this is the Gantt chart for my FYP1. Project planning time is shown by brown color, whereas the actual time taken is represented by green color. That's all from me. Contact me if you have any questions. You can contact me through my email and my contact number. Thank you so much.